Hi guys.
So we've been waiting for this box for a
So
long
excited.
time. We're gonna open it.
Sorry, I'm already going into it as you're talking.
Yeah.
Just gotta get into it. So basically,
Says Resility House on it.
that was a little loud, but we got this box that says Resility, and then we open it up and we find this card.
More self-care, less stress. To get started, visit resilityhealth.com/selfcare to learn how to use the tools in your box and complete your assessment. Download the Resility Health mobile app for iOS and Android. Dive into the contents of your box and enjoy your guided lessons. So I guess we're not going to do that right now, but I guess the first thing you would do is you complete your assessment online, which to the mobile app you can get if you want to.
And then the next thing in the box is a book. It's called Finding Your Own Path, A Guide to Life and Happiness After School.
Amber Brown.
And Brad. It says Finding Your Path seeks to offer support and inspiration through the major transition from school to adulthood. The chapters explore various pathways including work, study, and travel by outlining the benefits so you can actively contemplate your options and make informed decisions. The focus is on trusting oneself in order to create a path of integrity and happiness. Abby, do you want to?
Okay, so the next things are two Hydro Flask stickers. This one says breathe deeply, and this one says just breathe. So those are really cute.
Okay, so next we have this like pillow.
Yeah, I think it's like a.
Do you smell that?
What?
Smell it.
It smells like lavender. Yeah.
I
That's
guess
what I thought it smells
what
good.
I think you do with it is you.
Probably like
That's
that.
actually really relaxing. You just put it
I'll
under
do it,
your
I'll do it.
eyes, and then you could do Resilities with it
That
on your
actually
eyes.
sounds
It's really
that
it's
feels
really
nice.
relaxing. So that's definitely great while you're doing Resilities.
Okay, the next thing is this.
Also, I think you could probably warm this
Resility
up.
aromatherapy dough, and it's like it feels like dough, and it's colored with a light blue color, and it's so
Again, another
soft. Really?
smelly thing.
This is like the same
It
as
smells
this.
like lavender.
It smells like lavender. Yeah.
So if you love lavender, this is the
This is
perfect thing
definitely
for
the
you.
box for you. I love it. It feels
So
good.
next thing that I see is this roller, I guess you could say. And so let's go ahead and it says aromatherapy roller ball. So let's go ahead and open this up. Smell it. It has like a little ball on top of it.
Because you roll on your skin.
Smells
I
really
think.
good. So let's roll it on your own. You want to roll it on
Yeah,
your own?
I'm gonna smell it first. And that smells like lavender too. It's all like lavender scents and stuff.
So
I
like,
think it's supposed to be on the inside of your arm.
does it feel good?
Yeah, it tickles.
Let's put it on my hand.
It smells really
Let's
good.
put it like
Yeah,
that.
I got it on my nose, but it doesn't really do anything.
Before
I like
school.
will be putting that on before I go to school, so I smell good.
And then the last one we're gonna do together is
Pura
this
Vida bracelet. I
Pura Vida
love
bracelets.
Pura
Many
Vida
people
bracelets.
know
They're
what
so pretty.
Pura Vida bracelets are, but if you don't, it's basically a bracelet that
It's
you
all
wear.
bracelets that like have little strings on them, and it's all different colors.
It
And this
just
one
makes
is
you
a
feel
cool
well.
blue
It's like different color blues.
with a couple strings of a darker blue. That's
Yeah, I mean, and then last thing, sorry, that was not the last thing. I'll put that away. Is these cards. So let's open it up and see. So the first one that I see is this card that says, I deserve love, compassion, and empathy. And then at the bottom, it shows you like what pose you have to do. So at the bottom, the person's doing like a cat pose. See?
Yeah.
It's actually really cool.
And
then
they have
there's
like a bunch of them. They have a ton.
Yeah,
of
there's
them.
like all
So you could do like a
different
new one every day for a
kinds.
couple months, probably.
Yeah, you could.
or maybe a month or something.
It should
or
be
a
a
little more.
very fun. Just do one every day. Pick one out. And they have all different sayings. So like this next
Like
one
every
after
day they have a
the
different
next one
saying.
after this, it says I choose to be happy and love myself today. So there's a lot of different poses, and that's going to be really fun to try. So let's recap what we have.
Okay.
First, we have these cards that we just talked about.
Then this eye pillow.
One thing that we
smells really
forgot
good.
to mention is you could warm this up in the microwave if like you're having trouble sleeping or something, and you could put it over your eyes and just could help you sleep or anything that you need.
Yeah. This is the roller ball, yeah. You like roll it on your skin. It makes your skin smell good, and it's
My
like
skin's
soothing.
still smells like
Yeah,
it, so
so
we're
mine.
good. And then we got the putty,
putty's
the
so
ultimate
nice.
putty, the best putty.
The Pura Vida bracelet.
And then we got the book and the stickers right here. So this was a very good.
So that was a really good
Box.
box. If you could tell, there's like a blue coloring, like
Yeah, it's a lot of blue and some purple.
This is like
feeling.
a calming color. Like
It's
I don't
blue
know,
and
it's
like
supposed to.
purple vibes. So it's very good, and I'm so happy that we got this. So we're gonna go and try some of these things out.
yeah.